In over 2 decades of designing and building custom homes, I've watched trends come and go. One trend that's here to stay, the dual kitchen concept. Homeowners seek to create spaces that are not only functional, but also beautiful. The idea of having 2 kitchens, each with its distinct purpose, has become increasingly popular. I am Francisca Alonso with AV Architects Plus Builders, and today I'm going to explain why and more homeowners are embracing the dual kitchen concept and what it could mean for you. What is the purpose of having 2 kitchens? Regardless of a home size, the kitchen has always been the heart of the home. It's where meals are prepared, conversations flow, and memories are made. In recent years, the kitchen has evolved from being merely a functional space to becoming a central hub for socializing and entertaining. However, this presents a challenge. How can you maintain the kitchen's cozy, living room-like atmosphere while still having a fully functional space for cooking and meal preparation? Here's how it works. First, you have the show kitchen. It's the centerpiece of the home, often located in an open plan area that flows into the living or dining room. The show kitchen is all about style and design. It features high-end finishes, sleek appliances, and a clutter-free environment. It's the perfect space for casual cooking, light meal prep, and entertaining guests. Think of it as the equivalent of a restaurant's front of house area. Beautiful, inviting, and designed to impress. Then you have your prep kitchen, also known as the grease or spice kitchen. This is where the heavy lifting happens. The prep kitchen is typically tucked away from the main living areas, providing a private, behind-the-scenes space for serious cooking. It's equipped with robust appliances, ample storage, and ventilation systems to handle intense meal preparation, from baking and frying to using heavy spices. The prep kitchen is the workhorse of the home, allowing the show kitchen to remain pristine and clutter-free. What are the benefits of having 2 kitchens? The dual kitchen concept has gained popularity for several reasons, each reflecting the evolving needs and desires of modern homeowners. 1. Enhanced entertaining experience. One of the most significant benefits of having 2 kitchens is the ability to enhance your entertaining experience. In the show kitchen, you can prepare and serve appetizers, mix drinks, and engage with your guests in a stylish, relaxed setting. Meanwhile, the prep kitchen allows you to tackle more complex dishes, handle messy prep work, and keep any culinary chaos out of sight. Caterers can also work in the prep kitchen, much like the hidden kitchens in high-end restaurants, ensuring that your event runs smoothly and seamlessly. 2. Improved kitchen organization. For many homeowners, the kitchen can quickly become cluttered with appliances, cookware, and ingredients. A dual kitchen setup helps to solve this problem by providing additional storage and workspace. In the prep kitchen, you can store and use small appliances such as stand mixers, blenders, air fryers, and food processors without cluttering the show kitchen. This not only keeps the main kitchen tidy, but also makes it easier to stay organized and efficient while cooking. 3. Customization and flexibility. One of the most appealing aspects of the dual kitchen concept is the ability to customize each kitchen to suit your specific needs. In the show kitchen, you might opt for premium finishes, a sleek design, high-end appliances that complement your home's overall aesthetic. The prep kitchen, on the other hand, can be tailored for functionality with industrial-grade appliances, durable countertops, and easy-to-clean surfaces. This level of customization allows you to create a kitchen environment that aligns with your lifestyle. What are some design considerations for a dual kitchen setup? Number 1, layout and flow. Ideally, the show kitchen and prep kitchen should be located close to each other, allowing for easy movement between the 2 spaces. In some designs, the prep kitchen is positioned directly behind the show kitchen with a door or pass-through connecting the 2. This setup ensures a smooth flow of activity while keeping the mess of cooking hidden from view. 2. Ventilation. Proper ventilation is essential in any kitchen, but it's especially important in a dual kitchen setup. The prep kitchen, where the bulk of the cooking takes place, should be equipped with a powerful ventilation system to prevent cooking odors from permeating the rest of the home. This can include range hoods, exhaust fans, or even air purifiers to keep the air clean and fresh. Number 3, appliance selection. In a dual kitchen setup, you'll want to carefully consider the appliances you choose for each space. The show kitchen may feature high-end, visually appealing appliances that enhance the kitchen's aesthetic, while the prep kitchen is outfitted with more utilitarian, heavy-duty appliances designed for serious cooking. Number 4, storage solutions. Effective storage is key to maintaining an organized dual kitchen setup. In the prep kitchen, consider adding ample cabinet space, a walk-in pantry, and specialized storage for bulky items like stand mixers and large pots. The show kitchen, on the other hand, might focus on more visually appealing storage solutions such as open shelving, glass front cabinets, or a wine fridge. At AV Architects and Builders, we love helping homeowners find the perfect balance between functionality and style. The dual kitchen concept offers a modern solution to the age-old challenge of balancing practicality with aesthetics in the heart of the home. By creating 2 distinct kitchen spaces, one for show, one for prep, homeowners can enjoy the best of both worlds. As always, thank you for watching. Check out our Learning Center linked in the description below for more home building tips, tricks, and insights. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.